Hi, my name is Wilson, and a lot of people actually ask me about, is printing still a good business? Is printing a sunset industry? Well, there are many saying over this thing. I couldn't give you a right answer, but I can invite you to look at different perspective on how I look at this printing industry. Alright, I'm pretty sure that most of you are very familiar with a marketplace platform like Shopee, Lazada. You have purchased something from them. And we have seen reports after reports saying that the sales of this marketplace platform has been increasing. Now, what does this increasing means to us in this printing industry? Number one, as more products are being shipped out, the packaging or the printing on the packaging gets a lot of increase because every product needs some form of packaging to wrap it up or to box it out before they ship out. Alright, now let me show you an example on my recent purchase of coffee from Shopee. Alright, this is the packaging that I received. Now, from this outer box itself, I can already identify 3 different kind of print related services. Number 1, the sticker. Number 2, the box. And number 3, this. This is not printed on, but this is a rubber stamp. They stamp it onto the box. Alright. Just on the outside, there is 3. Now let's take a look on the inside. As I open up the box, alright, there is a thank you card. Again, it's a form of printing. And there is another smaller card that resembles that of a business card. But on this card, it shows us that if you want to get a discount, give them a review. It's a form of marketing activities that they wanted to do by placing this card into the box. Next, take a look at how they wrap their coffee. Alright, now on the outside there is this wrapper and a sticker to paste onto the wrapper this way. Alright, not bad, huh? And coming up next, there is this information card that is tagged onto this standing pouch. Alright, if this pouch, it can also be customized through printing as well. All in all, let's just examine how many items that is related to print can I find in this packaging alone. Number 1, sticker. Number 2, the box. Number 3, rubber stamp. Number 4, the thank you card. Number 5, a business card voucher or business card marketing information. Number 6, wrapper. Number 7, sticker. Number 8, this information card on the standing pouch. And possibly number 9, standing pouch. Alright, with all these things, and just imagine all these items times 1,000 sales, times 2,000 sales, we are talking about a lot of printing opportunity over here, right? Is printing still a doable business? Is it a sunset business? You think about it yourself. Alright, but for me, I think it's going to flourish like never before with the up and rising of this e-commerce marketplace platform. Thank you and enjoy coffee.